Instant coffee is a favorite for millions, but experts warn that excessive consumption could increase cancer risks. This is due to its higher acrylamide content, twice as much as ground coffee, a chemical produced when food, including coffee beans, is cooked at high temperatures. The International Agency for Research on Cancer IARC has classified acrylamide as a probable human carcinogen, indicating it may cause cancer in humans. Laboratory tests show that acrylamide can lead to lung and reproductive cancers in animals, and scientists believe it poses similar risks to humans. According to the Food Standards Agency (FSA), a Polish study from 2013 which analyzed 42 samples of coffee, including 10 instant coffees, revealed instant coffee had double the amount of acrylamide than freshly ground coffee. However, you would need to drink about 10 cups of instant coffee a day for your intake of acrylamide to become a concern, according to researchers at McGill University in Canada. While instant coffee does contain acrylamide, it also has more antioxidants than ground coffee, which protects against cell damage. Dr. Pál Moravich Horvat, the director of medical imaging at Semmelweis University in Budapest, told The Telegraph that instant coffee contains melanoidins, an antioxidant that increases the diversity of bacteria in your gut, which can also help protect against disease. Experts reveal healthy ways of making your morning brew with research showing the beverage can boost your brain, heart, and gut health. Acrylamide, found in higher doses in instant coffee, has been declared as a problem human carcinogen by the International Agency for Research on Cancer IARC, meaning there is evidence the chemical can cause cancer in humans. However, filter coffee and espressos are thought to be some of the healthiest forms of your morning brew. Filter coffee, which is made by passing ground beans and hot water through a paper
towel method
or mesh metal filter, has been found to contribute to lower rates of artery disease, which is the most common cause of heart attacks. That's according to researchers in Norway who studied the coffee habits of 500,000 people over 2 decades and discovered drinking 4 cups of filter coffee a day will help you reap these heart health benefits. Espresso-based coffees, which includes cappuccinos, lattes, and flat whites, are thought to be beneficial to our brains and are linked to a reduced risk of Alzheimer's. An Italian study from 2023 found extracts of espresso reduced the buildup of the toxic protein called tau, which fuels dementia when mixed with brain samples in petri dishes. Research has also shown that caffeine decreases the buildup of amyloid and reduces inflammation and cell death in the brain, which may reduce dementia risk.
But Alzheimer's Society explains this has only been proven in mice and not humans, meaning the connection still is not certain. As we conclude today's discussion, it's important to remember that while instant coffee is popular, it contains higher levels of acrylamide, which has been linked to cancer. However, you'd need to consume about 10 cups a day for it to be a major concern. On the positive side, instant coffee offers antioxidants and gut health benefits. For healthier options, consider filter coffee or espresso, which can lower the risk of artery disease and support brain health.
Thank you for watching Zero Diabetes Zone. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more health insights. We'd love to hear your thoughts. What's your favorite type of coffee? Share in the comments below. Stay healthy and informed.